Good afternoon, everybody. Jason Miles here with Aqua. We're out here cleaning a little bit of concrete and just wanted to show you a little bit about what we can do to help make your driveway, patio, sidewalk, pool area, whatever it is, we can help make it more beautiful. The elements out here, the weather, can take its toll. So let me show you a little demonstration of what we can do for you. You can see what a difference it makes. Just giving a little bit of love can make a world of a difference. We've already got this beautiful parking lot cleaned up. Just got a little bit left to go. And I'll be ready to come take care of your place. Give us a call here at Aqua. Again, my name is Jason Miles. Phone number is 850-381-1527. Or you can check us out online at www.gettheforce.com.